Welcome back. We are going today to at first clean here, again clean here, and then we are going to run our code. Okay, everything is ready. 5x. Let's just before. Okay, let's run it. The running code is make time. I think it's kinda consume a lot of time. I don't like it like this because I don't know if the code is run or not. I just try to string something and I add this print x. Every time an x print, it means that our it means that our for loop is working one time. Let's do is this. Okay, let's run it. Wait, and just wait to see the answers. The 0 time is gone. The 1. It may take a while. Until then, let me give you some sort of data why we are doing this. We are doing these comments and writing this code because we want to create a great database based on the YouTube comment. And what we needed, we are going to do some neural network and make some neural network on them that try to learn from its, what we call it, from they are going to learn how to speak from their comments and what they say. Learn if the, for example, if something good or bad or something else. That is the thing we are going to do. I think, yes, we are going to train some models that learn that is good or not. At first, it is an easy way to just build a database. And I think if it's going to go to 506, it's really going to consume some time. Or as I say, many time. I think, yes, it's going to consume. Okay, maybe I just have to end this lesson here and wait until it's end to do the next lesson. But what shall I do? We don't have to do anything else. Let's just refresh here to see the data beautifully are listing. That's the greatest thing I have ever seen. And now we have another problem, how to download all of this data. And some kind of, okay, we can download the folder, that's good. All we do, you can do this course on a PC with the internet. No need of a high specification or high knowledge about computer or programming or Mac OS or some kind of Linux or other things. You just need a computer and access to Colab and internet and you're done. Let's say bye for this lesson. Have a good time. The next lesson we end this project and see the result. And in the next lesson we are going to do something perfect amazingly. Have a good time until